Now, say we got number one. We won't call now. When we want to know what happen because we hear say banks, banks they do people strong things. So today we want visit bank matter. We hear say bank they deduct money anyhow without you doing any transaction. They put Igbese for your head by force. Hello, madam.
Hello.
Yeah, how are you, madam?
I'm fine, ma'am.
You go say I'm fine. And you? How are you?
Fine, and you?
I do. No, you not be say and you. You say and you.
And you?
Talk correct. More once again. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Not be and you. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh yeah, what will be your name?
My name is Olontola Yemisi Comfort.
Oh yeah, what will be the problem? Let's go.
And the problem is say that they collect my money, that they debit me.
Who be
So
them
I
first?
not my own account. I don't know the person.
Okay.
So this July I can't receive bank charges. I
Uh,
can't see my balance.
yeah.
I can't see say the money not be up.
Okay.
So I have to go to my bank say how come? Can I say 21,000 out of 300,000? They can't tell me say say I don't dey collect money. I say not be me collect money oh. Me I say okay. They say me I write letter. I can't write my letter. They can't print out my bank
Statement.
I can't say person they use my ATM
Sure.
card. They withdraw money. They return am to my bag because I dey always see my ATM when I dey go work. They come back. E dey with me. I no see alert. They say they alert me. I say I no see oh. They say that shows that the person they delete am. I say so the person don't collect 280,000 now.
How much?
280,000.
Now you don't collect from your account.
Yes, so
280,000. And you don't know.
I don't know.
The person don't collect 280,000 small, and you don't know.
I don't know.
Jesus, go ahead.
You know they use the account for anything at all before.
I know they use them.
Okay.
I just use the money.
They save am there. Okay.
They save am.
Continue. They hear you.
So I can't go this GT bank. Say me on help me oh. They say na GT bank never give them information because na their POS for ATM machine.
Yeah.
The person they use. So I need to see the person face. They can't say okay any information they will keep my bank. So yesterday they can't call me back. Stanbic Bank say may I come they don't see more information oh. I say okay thank you I can't go this morning. They can't give me the paper. Say the person they use my ATM to they transfer to Rashida. I don't know the person. They say I know the person. I don't know. I don't know the person no. Okay they can't say okay no problem. They go see they do the findings. To see the person where they use do the work. No na help me oh.
Wait so you mean say till now they never see know who the person be?
They never know.
Okay, wait first. Which bank you dey bank with?
Bank, Stanbic Bank.
Then the person they from your Stanbic Bank they withdraw send to which bank?
So Access Bank.
Okay, and what will be the name when they that Access Bank?
The name na Rashida Adenike Adekoya.
Now be the full name of the of the account when the person they forward the money to.
Yes.
Call the name again.
Rashida Adenike Adekoya.
So now your bank now don't know who they do this job, abi?
Yes, so my bank don't know.
And so far your bank say the person don't withdraw 280,000. Jesus Christ.
Oh, wow.
Out of 300,000 no.
How the bank say the person take the withdrawal now with your ATM card?
With my ATM card though.
Sure. What now only you they stay for us?
Now me and my husband.
Only una two?
Yes, with my two children.
With
7 years and 5 years.
7 years and 5 years.
Yes.
You not get housemaid.
We not get.
You not get uncle and brother when they follow you stay.
Nobody.
You don't ask your husband.
I never ask am because before he dey take small money for my bag 1,000 2,000 if I ask and I give to the business.
Wait first, not rush. Before your husband they take cash from your bank.
Yes.
From your bag.
For my bag.
1,000 2,000. If you ask and say who take 1,000, he go they beat you.
He go dey beat me say why they ask am money not be my money.
Okay,
so just send that for me.
So
I never let her know.
So now you fear not go let you ask her say whether now they use your ATM then they withdraw. They send to that account.
Yes. Sir.
But you not ask your bank whether your husband know your PIN.
My PIN.
Yes.
I never tell am before.
Hey.
Okay. This your ATM card. You don't use and go withdraw money from any POS before?
No, I never use am.
You never use them for any POS before?
No.
Sure.
I dey always save am.
When I see wahala. Okay.
When I dey use am, that is when I dey use do cleaner for Janet. When we dey do salary, I dey even open the Stanbic Bank for me, for us, all of us.
Okay.
And na current. So since that time, I just dey do salary work. They do my commot business.
Okay. So now you don't come out for your own bank now. So what is your bank call talk now?
And my bank say they go do the follow up. They my
Okay. No wahala. You dey listen to radio now, Abi?
yes, sir.
Okay, we go end your call. Then make you hear what the others want talk as regards this matter. Their
Make
advice.
Nigeria help me, my fellow woman. No, now work at the waka, they sell, they feed my children. No,
What you dey sell?
now for more.
Wamlele. So na say our market woman person want do a strong thing. Okay, madam, they listen now, eh? People go
Yes,
people go shook mouth put, eh?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Una don't hear the matter, na igbese matter. The woman don't know who they use her ATM card. The person don't withdraw 280,000 from a Stanbic to another bank. And now she don't call the full name of the person when the other account be attached to Womlele. But now she don't know, and now she and her 2 years and her 2 children, 5 and 7 years. And the husband they stay as. Now she they fear to ask the husband who they use the ATM, because he said the husband they take small cash for her
From
bag,
her bag
1,000. And if you ask her, now beat. So now she they fear to ask her. Your husband know your pin. He says she don't know whether the husband know the pin.
And you know why she never know? Say they don't they comot money from that account because na she know they use the account. So she no really know. Now just to save the money, now she they save for
she said
there.
she know they receive.
And she know they receive a lot.
Oh yeah, what you not get to talk? Oh
My name is Sister Grace from Ikotun.
yeah, let's go talk to us. Shook my put.
This thing has been going on, and that woman, the husband knows about it. Maybe he must have taken the ATM card to other girl.
Okay.
Understand me? So these 419 boys, they know how to get people's pin. That is how. I'm telling you the truth.
Wow, wonderful.
But apart from that, you see, like Access Bank, I have to learn with them. You withdraw, you don't withdraw. They will take your money. On Sunday night, they remove 90,000 out of my money.
90,000.
90 naira.
Oh, I for fear. I for say now you see the year.
That one na charges na maintenance.
90 naira. I for shock.
No, the thing is that it's becoming too much.
Yes, I understand that part, sir.
You don't withdraw, they will do it. So that woman has to be very, very careful.
Okay.
Everything comes from the husband.
Thank
the
you.
husband knows everything about it, yes.
Okay. But now we want to ask if you are a banker when they there, let us know. Oh, I would like to even call on my guy when be banker.
I want to address the people one thing, that this and the ATM machine also has this thing called CCTV camera. So I think by someone withdraw your money and you don't know the person, when you get to the bank, I think they could have reversed the camera and they will see the person.
Abi, so that means the bank supposed to use their. Oh my God.
You understand me? Because every ATM nowadays they are using.
Check this one. Open now for them.
Camera.
This guy.
So please, she should just go back to the bank manager and tell the bank manager to reverse the camera on the ATM so that she could know who is withdrawing the money.
Abi, because the bank they say make she go say they go track. How they go to track her? Because it's supposed to be easy now. Make they go their ATM, use the camera. Abi, take fine now.
Yes.
Abi,
yes.
Okay, you don't talk very important. But somebody say Ratata, call me. I'm a banker. No worry, banker. No worry. No call your name. Oh yeah, now die that guy. Ladies and gentlemen, 280,000 naira. Now you don't withdraw. For our poor market woman, when they say pomo, when they hawk pomo, when they manage to save money, 280,000, small. Who they do it? We don't know. We will call our back and make it tell us how manage this thing they go take apple and what will be the remedy. Okay. Okay, we they call you now. We they call you. Hello. Yeah, morning to you, sir.
Yeah, Ratata, sir. Good morning.
Morning. No, you hear the matter, Abi?
They hear and I make the same thing, say me you call me.
Oh, yeah, fire dancer.
Okay, now, see how she they do, you see, for them to do that transaction, one, now person will know the woman too well, and do that transaction.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because for that person to they withdraw, small, meaning that person they use the ATM, they go, they put the money, then that person they hold the woman phone. Silence them so that their alert no go enter.
Okay.
You understand? That is one.
Okay.
Then secondly, there's no how way her own bank go fit get that transaction, because from what she talk now, Stanbic to which other bank where he call.
He called
you understand?
Yeah.
So since not be the same bank, they no go fit
get or trace them.
Are you serious? So the bank now.
What they go do now? What she only do? Now her own bank.
Yes.
Go send mail.
Yes.
To the receiving bank.
Yes.
For them to give them the details of the person where they receive the money.
Okay. Wait. Madam, they listen. Madam, I hope say you they hear now the suggestion what this banker they talk now. Okay, continue.
For them to give for the bank to give her own bank.
Yeah.
Because they don't go still give her as a person.
Yes.
Okay.
You get if she go make them give her now to divulge their customers' information, it's possible.
Okay.
So the bank now, her own bank, go write or go do mail to the receiving bank.
Yeah.
Then go reply with the person's information. Say this is the person receiving the alert.
The alert, okay.
This is the person's phone number. This is the person's address and all that.
Okay.
Say you see am.
Yeah.
So what thing I guess you talk for this pattern like be say person where they chop the meat, like person where they within.
Wow.
And they collect the money.
Okay.
Like other person talk, if he be the husband.
Yes.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Maybe now they send them go in your account.
Of course now because yes, he call one name just now. Now the money they enter.
He call one you like girl.
Exactly. Yeah, 3 names.
So it's likely to that person now the husband mistress.
Exactly, or something like that.
Or now the person where him and the husband they flow do the runs.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir. In fact, thank you for breaking this thing down. Una that year or the other, madam, I hope say you don't take note. The same me you go your bank, tell your bank, say make them write me to that bank.
Now so
when the alert they fall so
they enter the way the money they enter.
Bank. They will call reply your bank. The person full name when you call give us just now because your thank God say your bank don't show you the full name.
Yes.
They go show the person full name and phone number and address.
Yeah, what did I get to talk about this matter? Woman don't need to dig fast. They look for who collect the money. Now the husband.
She dey fear to ask her. I say because I also beat the man, they beat her. If you ask her anything like that.
What make her dey fear to husband? So if when she don't notice, say don't they collect 1,000?
Yes.
2,000 from inside the bag already.
Yes.
You supposed to say the man ain't get access to the account and the man get access to her phone.
Okay.
So when the man collect the money finish, she go delete
the matter. Okay. Thank you.
Many
Okay.
When enter the phone, so he go delete the alert.
Okay.
So the man no go
okay. See.
Okay,
now what una want make we call the husband because now 2 things they involve. If we call the husband, ask him, the woman go dey fear say the husband go beat him.
No need to call the husband.
Okay, thank you. Okay. End your call.
Call the husband now, everything don't
burn. Just katabi. Okay, no wahala. Okay, no wahala.
What they don't do underground like this?
Nah so.
Okay.
I mean, just that's where that banker talk. Go that banker.
Yeah.
That other bank at talk, just go call the other bank. When our bank will call the other bank, then they will block that person's account.
Okay.
You know that them block that account. The person won't come back and say,
okay. They block the account. They will call cram the person. Okay, thank you. We are now read SMS.
Okay, on top of WhatsApp, this person say, good morning, Ratata. He say, this matter na inside the person where they close to her. Now the person they delete the message from her phone too. As the matter don't be like this, make she try hide her ATM weller and also change her PIN. Haba, person hard earned money. Now blessing from Maza. Now she send that one. This one say, Oga Ratata, to my own understanding of the story, the husband is responsible for all the transaction, but the woman should fully make research because if she does, the husband might do something worse than beating her. A berry from Agboju. If she does not,
the next message.
This one say. He said, it happened to my neighbor. One of my neighbors used to transfer money from her account. He will borrow her phone and transfer and delete the alert before he will give her back the phone. Sure. He transferred 200K.
Sure.
From his neighbor account. This one now from Meg from Aja.
Are you serious?
So this one now his neighbor, they borrow the woman phone. take dey do transfer money go him own, then he go delete all the traces before he return the phone.
Wow, people wicked. This person dey say the bank can use the CCTV camera to find out who has been doing it.
You know say this na from ATM. You know say be like say or maybe no be the same ATM every time.
Okay.
So you know go fit really get from that side.
Yeah.
Hello.
Ogara, good afternoon.
Yes, so afternoon to you, sir.
Yeah, now Chivo boy they talk.
Fire down.
Go ahead.
I will more call the woman again. Ask her either the husband they collect the phone for her hand.
For her, Nabi? Yeah, use your own phone take call her now.
Okay. I use my phone.
Use your phone take call the woman. Call that call first. Alright, the same way we ask the woman say whether the husband they collect the phone. If she not even know safe. You don't understand?
Maybe now as she they drop the phone down, now the guy they
be like say she needs to change that pin. She need to change her pin first.
Apart from even changing the pin first, they need to even do underground investigation first to freeze that account. Because once you change the pin, the man go know. Say something they wrong. I know go cash out like that.
If he change the pin, the man not go fit use the ATM.
Hello.
Madam. Alpha.
Sir?
The same way we ask you say whether your husband they handle your phone.
Yeah, so like 2 weeks ago, I remember he said a mistake.
He
said that your phone where they are, so he did my bag go.
Now your husband be the thief. Because if you say now only 12 na days, now me say sure.
Nobody know anything about the pin now.
Okay, madam they on the line now. Okay, madam just remember me. People there. If una wants to ask madam a question, she dey on the line. Pick the next call. Hello, there the phone line.
Hello, Ra.
Yeah.
This one, my husband are the blame.
Okay.
Now the husband. So because in they use the wife phone.
Yes.
And the alert they enter.
Yes.
And in they see them.
Yes.
The woman know they even day after of the alert. In they go market.
Yeah, exactly.
So alert go full her phone. Now the husband they check out.
Okay.
And now the husband see the alert enter. He see how much they there.
Yes.
So he go delete them. Come go they take the money
small. They pinch her commot. They say go get out that girl.
Oh yes. And make the woman they be careful because the man see marry and that woman one day and pursue her.
That will not be a problem if you pursue her go away now. The person not go die put.
She's supposed to tell the do them say the man they beat her.
Okay.
So make them take care of the woman so that make everything stop.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
madam madam, I beg your husband get girlfriends.
I never know.
Okay, fine. Now
this only come back 12 o'clock,
1 o'clock for me.
Around our street.
Now this beat when he dey beat you, so your family members know about her.
No.
Why you never tell them?
I never tell them because mama and papa don't die. I only insist some relative I know.
How about you? Your own family won't come.
My own family know about.
Why you not tell them?
You said they know.
Your family know.
My family know.
So what did they talk for the beating when they beat you?
This one my mom say me I find out.
Hey God.
I find out.
How many years you and this man don't marry? How many years?
7 years.
7 years. Okay.
7 years. So that next month, August 15, will close 7 years.
What did your husband do?
My husband just buy iPhone.
Your husband just buy iPhone.
He buy iPhone, buy clothes, buy shoe, buy glass, buy cap.
Your husband na guy man. Now guy man. Wait, what did your husband they do? Which kind of work they do?
In they do furniture work and painting.
Sure. So he just recently buy tools, full grand.
Yeah, so he buy plenty food though.
He come buy cap, buy shoe,
18.5.
buy.
I ain't saying spend for food.
How much?
18.5.
18,500 for waiting.
Food.
For food, yes.
Okay, he buy food for us.
Yes, sir.
Then the iPhone no call.
The iPhone 6.
iPhone 6. Now he buy.
Yes, sir.
What do you got now money? iPhone 6 now. Now wow. Okay. Somebody say this husband now hoodlum from Germany. Today it's really sweet. Me see messages full ground. We can't even read all the messages. There are plenty. How men can ask some men can be wicked. Wife when you marry. When you supposed to take care of your character, you dey give the woman money. Onyeda.
He first catch you. They come out from his bag. Then now you don't enter the bank.
Then that's why for you. Something is wrong with the man. The man he's a demon. He pass cabal. He's a hollow block where they beat.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oya, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.